Why are you not recruiting the number of new affiliates that you are looking to recruit? I will share with you how am I doing to recruit faster than most agencies across the USA, Canada, and Puerto Rico. The reason why you are not recruiting is because you are not putting yourself out there to the public and out there on social media. It's because you're being a secret agent. You have to start being a public agent, a public figure. You must share your message constantly, and it has to be a message that is always about your opportunity. But on top of that, you have to make sure that you are bringing value to others. Otherwise, there would be not a differentiator, or you would not have a unique advantage over the other choices. So as a professional recruiter and trainer of life insurance agents, one thing that helps me a lot is representing Experior Financial Group. My true personal opinion is that we have the most powerful system that combines the opportunity for personal producers as well as team builders. But there are many other teams in Experior Financial Group. The question here is, why is the Icebreakers Team of Champions the team that attracts more licensed agents than any other team? You see, in only less than 33 months since I started building from scratch, I have attracted, through my own efforts and my team, 370 licensed agents, and that is from zero in under 33 months. Now, we are not the biggest, but we are the fastest growing, and also the ones who write the most insurance premium per licensed agent. Remember, numbers do not lie. But how have we been able to accomplish this? Is by giving added value. Experior Financial Group already brings a lot of value as a platform, as an ecosystem for financial entrepreneurs. But the Icebreakers Team of Champions, who is also part of the RIOS organization, we add value in layers. So we are the only team with a unique and exclusive app for our affiliates, for all our affiliated agents. That is an unlimited mobile and web-based app with training in English, Spanish, and French. So when smart agents are considering which company to join, they do their due diligence. And that's why Experior is the fastest growing financial services company in Canada and one of the top 3 fastest growing financial services companies in the USA. But within Experior, the Icebreakers Team of Champions is the one that you want to check out always. Ask other teams, ask other leaders, and make a smart decision on what is going to be giving you that unique advantage, the unfair advantage over the competition. And if you are building in other company or in any other industry, follow these steps. You have to promote your opportunity constantly. Make sure that you promote one opportunity at a time. Do not confuse your audience with multiple opportunities. That also shows leadership and commitment. And the third ingredient that is super powerful, make sure to add value. Otherwise, there is going to be no reason of why others will join your team. With that, I leave you until the next time. I am Hernán Rodríguez, and you can find me easily in all different social media platforms. You can visit me in YouTube as HRV Financial and in LinkedIn as HRV Official. See you at the top of success.
For more awesome content, like and subscribe now.